In the past few weeks, there have been quite a few different items that grew up in price under the radar. Today, we're going to focus on one type of item, the tournament holo foil capsules and stickers. That includes all of them, from the legendary EMS 2014 Katowice capsules all the way to the 2020 RMRs. I'm going to cover why I think older equals better in terms of investment potential, and why newer ones leave much to be desired, as well as show some examples in practice. Capsules from 2014, 15 and other years have the upper hand when it comes to exclusivity. Many of those capsules include stickers from teams that don't even exist anymore, like for example in the Katowice 2014 capsules. 7 of the 16 teams do not exist anymore. In those years, investing in CSGO was not really a thing people did. Maybe there were a couple of people ahead of their time, but the 99.999% of players were buying capsules to open and stickers to apply. Most people who kept their stickers did it by mistake. They just plainly forgot about them, and then they woke up years later to some valuable stickers, which I'm sure they just sold instantly. This way the stickers ended up in the hands of investors mostly. Other special things about older team capsules are the legendary team compositions, the plays, and the controversial topics that some of those teams were involved in, like match fixing or cheating. I have looked at all the holo foil capsules from all the previous tournaments and created a table for them, where I collected the current price and the price exactly 1 year ago. After which I created a heat map. Quickly, I've noticed a trend, that the older capsules have grown more in the last year. Of course, there were some anomalies where the price didn't behave as it was supposed to, but generally we see some growth in the upper 60%. Judging by these data, we can say that the age is important. However, it is not an absolute indicator of how much the price will grow. It is also decided by the quantity available and the teams which are inside the capsules. About 1 year ago, Anomaly made a video about investing into tournament capsules. The video was a very eye-opening experience for a lot of people, me as well. By the way, spoiler alert, I am going to ruin the ending for that video now, so if you want to watch it, you should do it now and then come back to this video. Anomaly had invested 350 euros into the Krakow 2017 capsules and stickers as soon as they went on discount. He opened some of those capsules, but 1 year ago when he made that video, his investment was worth 5,800 euros. Today, these same items are worth anywhere from 2 to 4 times more than last year, so about 15,000 euros in total. Also, Anomaly had invested 1,000 euros into Berlin 2019 capsules and doubled his money in 9 months. He was aware of the impact this video was going to have, and even said this himself.
I mean, in my case, it was worth it, but now that I'm making this video as well, I'm kind of shooting myself in the foot. Because I know a lot of more people are going to do this for future majors, so you shouldn't expect to make a lot of profit from future majors, because a lot of people will be buying sticker capsules, even more than there were last year.
We surely can see the difference already. The 2020 RMR capsules have been hoarded like never before, leading to the price not being able to grow as fast as it did with the previous capsules. Many people are unsure of investing into RMRs or the next major capsules, as there are more people than ever interested in investing on Steam. So the Stockholm capsules are probably going to be bought in much higher quantities than the Berlins. This is the reason why I'm trying to present to you the older capsules and stickers as better alternatives, which have already been discontinued and the supply for them is going down more and more. Now let's do a little price update in case you are not aware of how expensive the Kato 2014 stickers are. The iBuyPower Holo is $39,000 on Buff. Reason Holo is $42,000 and Titan Holo is $47,000. For reference, you could get a new Toyota Supra for 1 Titan Holo. Yeah, you can check all the prices yourself on country.dev. I'm going to leave the link down in the description. Here you can also find the quantity for some of the stickers, a log of recent sales, and also they have a very useful multi-sell link generator, where you just input your Steam ID and get multi-sell links for all the different items in your inventory, and I think that's kinda cool. Also, let's check on some of the Katowice 2015 stickers. For example, Titan Holo grew up in price from 140 euros 1 year ago to 809 euros today. You might think that's a lot of money for one Katowice 2015 sticker. Look at this one. Vox Holo grew from 350 euros on Steam to over 1,500 euros cash. In conclusion, now you know how much each of the Team Sticker tournament capsules have grown in the past year. And alongside that, hopefully you have also found some useful information in this video. If so, then make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for future awesome content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.